Hey everyone, I welcome you all to Skillsharp, and today we are going to see assignment operators in Python programming language. So what are assignment operators? So let's see. So assignment operator is nothing but this equals to sign, and when we use it at single equals to, then it performs assignment. So what is assignment? So you can see here I have created a variable a, which is nothing but a container in memory that can store the different values. With the help of this equal to sign, I can assign a value of 9 to this variable. So here you can see a equals to 9. That means I have assigned a value of 9 to the a. So let's try to print this, and now you can see its value is 9. So before that I will clear all the outputs. Okay, so now you can see here when I print a, then a's value is 9. Again, the second type of assignment operators are compound assignment operators, in which we can perform arithmetic operations as well as we assign the value of that operation to the operator. So you can see here I have created a variable a and I have used this operator plus equals to 2. So what exactly it means? It means a equals to a plus 2. Okay, so if I run this program, you can see it returns 11 because previously we know the value of a is 9. So a equals to 9 plus 2 and it is assigned to a again. That's why we have this a. Okay, so let's try to subtract and assign. So now we know the value of a is 11, and what subtract plus assign do is it will take the value of a, subtract the value from it, and it will assign again it to a itself, and the operator is minus equals to. So let's see the output of it, and now you can see here 10, that is 11 minus 1, and it is assigned to a again. So now value of a is 10. Let's see the multiply and assign. Here you can use this symbol, that is asterisk equal to. And what it means a equals to a into that your value. So here in the case a into 2. So now you can see the value of a is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20, and let's print it. You can see it returns the value 20. So the next is divide and assign. And now you can see here you can use this slash equals to, and now here it means a's value is 20 divided by 4, that returns 5. Okay, so let's print the value of a. Now you can see 5.0 because we use the simple division, that's why it returns the float value to us. And then modulus and assign. Now here you can see a percentage equals to, this is modulus and assign operator, and I have take the mod with 2. So what it means? It means a divided by 2 and return the remainder to a. So what it means? So simply value of a is 5. So 5 divided by 2 and remainder is 1. So it will assign 1 to value a. And let's see. Now you can see here value of a is 1.0. Okay, so in this way, the assignment operators in Python works. So there are some advanced assignment operator as well in the Python, but we will see it in detail in the further videos. If you like our content, then don't forget to follow us, subscribe our channel, and like and share. And if you don't want to miss any update, then hit the bell icon. We will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.